Hayi bafethu idrama entsha efika nezingane zesithembu umhla 25 May 7 o'clock in the evenings. Hayi episode yokuqala siqale namhlanje. And it shows us the usual characters esiwaziyo. Usibindi lapha who refers to himself as Sibindi. I don't know why. I wish I could understand why he's Sibindi. Moving forward, khona Abongwe, khona uTirelo, khona uSne, uMpilo. The whole crew is there bafethu. Owayekhona in the previous season ongekho, I think usisi lo wayezalwa noLento noMpumelelo. I think that's the one. Yeah, I think that's the one. But anyways, first things first, ithe iqala sibona uSne uhleli nabazali bakhe, futhi uhleli nobaba uMseleku noMacele eSipark. Hayi abenzela ukudla ekhishini, wenza yonke into kwamnandi kanjani. Abalethele and ubaba laphana is not quite happy ngayo yonke lento. Hawu, uSne ulethele ukudla? Hayi ngeke. It can't be. Uyakwazi ukwenza ukudla lo kanjani yonke le nto le. And uthe kulethe kube phezu kwetafula uMacele waba naleyo buso lo uthi hawu ikona kudla lokho. Bayakubona yabo, okay, they are not quite happy. And according to her uSne kuma direct sessions uyachaza ukuthi no, akusiyona into yami ukuthi ngenzele ubaba ukudla, phela unamakhosikazi, so asiyena umyeni wami, so unawo abantu abamenzela ukudla. Anyways, moving far from that, iqhubeka inkulumo ke. So uma iqhubeka inkulumo, uSne asho ukuthi kahle kahle ufuna ukubonga bandla kuMacele for everything that she has done. Ngomkhulisela undodakazi lapha uThando, even though ubaba ebekade enqaba ukuthi uThando akhulisele eSipark. Hayi ubaba usathi hawu usuyiletha ngami ke manje yabo yonke le nto leyo. And base bebuya ke umama maseyasho ukuthi no, weSne siyakuzwa and siyabonga lokho ukubonga lokho. Aqhubeke uSne ukuthi ayazi uma kuthiwa bekade nginawo amandla, bengingafisa ukuthi mhlawumbe ngikwenzele into enhle, you know, like any other child. Mhlawumbe ufuna ukumenzela into enkulu, usengile isipho, or whatever the case might be, ufuna ukumenzela wona uSne. But uMacele action lokho baseyasho kuMacele ukuthi hayi yazi akekho into ethine fanele usenzele yona weSne. Ukhona la into engifisa ukuyibuza yabo. Umsebenzi waseyiqala ke ayibuza ke lento ukuthi usho weSne kubangelwa yini ukuthi ey'nganeni zami uyikhombe ngemmese ufuna ukuyigwaza ngekhasini lapha neSun City, kodwa manje ufuna ukuthi ngikhulume nazo ukuthi wena uyingxenye kaMseleku ngoba usufuna ukungena. Shuthi mhlawumbe ngiyacabanga ukuthi ukhuluma nge-setup yale show lesiyibukayo manje yabo. Qale uSne rarely ever takes accountability as we know her. Uyaqala futhi manje uyadeflector, running away from the issue, but uyakhombisa ukuzisola ngoba uyasho ukuthi manje uyayisola le khayi kwenzile kwaku-wrong nakho konke lokho kanjani yabo, yonke lento ayenzakalile. Kuze kuvele ekuthenini ukuthi hawu uMacele azosho ukuthi cha phela weSne wayenigalele indlela eniphuza ngayo utshwala. Ningaphuzi kuze kwekwazi ukuthi hayi amaglasi amangaka ewayini mangwabuzile kangaka, noma mhlawumbe ufuna ukuphuza ibhodlela uqede yini. Hawu ubaba naye athi ukuthi hawu kanti wayiphuzile lezi yakhe, kanti wayidakiwe, hayi lutho kanjani. uSne asho ke naye ama-direct sessions no, wayengaphuzile at all, angazange aphuze nothing at all yabo. This whole back and forth abanayo-ke nabazali bakhe, it goes on for quite some time ngoba it also ends up ekuthenini kuze kukhona indaba yokuthi uSne is never around when she's needed yabo, particularly should say this past previous year ngoba yasho ukuthi awuSne sasikudinga kanje, washo ukuthi kunezinto afanele azenze kanjani yonke le nto leyo. And ubaba wakhe uzamchazele ukuthi weSne ngoba uzofuna izimali yabona, ngoba yasho ukuthi ufuna imali kaKhisimusi, angazi ngasiphi isikhathi ufuna ukuthenga impahla zokugqoka nani. And uma echaza le nto lena uMseleku yasho ukuthi but weSne angazi ukuthi yindaba ungangilaleli, ungangizwa ngisho into engiyishoyo. Hasho uSne ukuthi kodwa babona ohlezi u-undermine mina, uwena ohlezi ungi-undermine, it's nothing else. Uthi hawu ngizokuchazela weSne indaba u-undermine ngoba ngakufamba ukusola umsebenzi wabaleka. uSne yaqala ukuthi hawu baba wave uthanda ukubamba into zakudala, uzakhala uSne ukuthi hayi ubaba nje unamagqubu ngezinto ezenzeka zadlula njalo, uyena emndenini umuntu obambela agqubu, akekho omunye umuntu. Yabo labantu labo bobabili bayathandana, iyona into evele ngiyibone nje kubona bobabili, ayikho enye into. But throughout this whole discussion kuye kuvele enye into futhi, yazi le discussion kaMacele noSne noma uMseleku, khona enye into evelayo ukuthi kuthiwa uSne bekade ezolotsholwa. Kwindaba yakhe yokulotsholwa uSne ubaba uyasho ukuthi ukhona lo ntombazane ohlezi ekhuluma ngomndeni waMseleku, obasendele osendele umngani kaSine uthile i-message ukuthi uSine njengoba kade ezolotsholwa kahle kahle uSine useThekwini uhleli nenye indoda. At this moment in time uSine avele acikeke, useyasukuma uyahamba bambuza usuyaphi. Yebo yonke lento leyo, and ubaba Sine useyayichaza-ke indaba ukuthi into ikanje manje ufuna ukwazi ukuthi amalobolo igcine iphelele phi indaba yawo. And then-ke uMacele comes to her defense, uSine yasho ukuthi no, babakhe ngozukwazi ufuna ukwazi amalobolo ahambe kanjani. Meanwhile wena wakhipha into yokuthi awufuni lutho ezokuhlanganisa namalobolo kaSine, nothing. So ngi-understand ukuthi why ufuna ukwazi yonke lento leyo. You said it yourself ukuthi you are out. Yabo. That was just the nutshell of what they spoke about. Yabo. Yabona-ke ukuthi obani abasena ama-message mhlawumbe oza kwethi baya ku-YouTube, mhlawumbe ama-blogger athile, baningi abantu ababaziyo abasena-message nayo yonke lento leyo sho sokudedela iphepha ukuthi uSine kahle kahle bezolotsholwa nomuntu ayohlangana naye eThekwini akuyona lento ezolotsholwa. Kwavele kwakuningi. uSine, yabona bethi umuntu ophethe le show le, uSine, uSibindi. Yabona abantu bobabili abayiphethe le show. Ngiyababona laba abanye, yabo le-two bayiphethe. uSibindi-ke nje uqhamuka nedrama yakhe yedwa-ke, nedrama yakhe yedwa. Ngoba sibona laphana uTirelo, it's not much. uTirelo simbone ehleli nomngani wakhe. Naye futhi ukuhlangana nalo mngani wakhe kuvela ukuthi they met through uMpumelelo. Angazi ukuthi eJermiston untombazana lo wayewuneighbor kaMpumelelo noma kwenzakalani, and uTirelo ngokuchaza ngayo ukuthi wahlangana naye lo ntombazana kaBurger King noma kephi, kwawukuthi-ke they liked each other, basebabangane. Like that was it. They've been friends for the past couple of years. Yabona angi-understand i-dynamic yaleya friendship ukuthi bazana kanjani noMpumelelo, and uMpumelelo is not one to be trusted. Uma khona intombazana phakathi, who knows? Maybe there's a history involved lapho. Those are the two things that happened. And the last one, bonke bafethu benolwandle bebehambile boshaya i-canoeing lapha. It wasn't much. It was just them having an outdoors date as siblings, and that's it. So there's not much transmesh about it. It was just a quiet episode enganazo into ey'theni, engathini ayizange isiqhakazisa umqondo kakhulu, yabo. I think maybe-ke ngokuhamba kwesikhathi drama is gonna ensue. We're gonna see mhlawumbe i-development in terms of like sibling rivalry between all of them. Usibone mhlawumbe ukuthi uSine ngabe bazozwana noMpilo, uSibindi kwenzakala indaba zesithembu sey'ntombi zakhe, lesithembana nazo sey'ntombi. Bafethu abantu abazana nesithembu sey'ntombi, yekani ukubiza imjolo ngesithembu kube kuyimjolo, into engasilo ukuthi usesithembini uhlala kini. Anyways, bafethu, this was it for me. Thank you so much for coming through. Please do not forget to subscribe. Bafethu, besikhuluma ngamanye ama-episode, okay? Thank you.